meters. They are given in the meter. We have to change into kilometers. First question is 6,652 meters. We have to convert this to kilometers. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So in the one place we have to substitute question. 6,652 meter is equal to 6,652 divided by 1000 kilometers. So if we divide 6,652 by 1000, we get 6 kilometers and 652 meters. Understood? Next question is 9,701 meters. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. This is the formulas. Okay, you have to write these formulas. Then you substitute the values. Then you will find the answer. So 1 meter, 9,701 meter is equal to 9,701 divided by 1000 kilometers. So in the 1000 place 9 is there. So 9 kilometers and 701 meter. Next one is convert into meter. They are given in the centimeter. We have to convert to meters. So first question is 810 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 810 centimeter is equal to 810 divided by 100 meter. So what is in the 100 form? 100 place 8. So 8 centimeter and 10 meters. Next question is 400 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 400 centimeter is equal to 400 divided by 100 meter. So 4 meters. You divide 0, 0, remaining is 4. So 4 meters.